Hey there folks, Scottsdale Travel Chick Sidekick here to give you a quick review of how to do a day trip bike ride to Kinderdijk Windmill area in southern Holland, just outside Rotterdam. We're in Rotterdam this week and I'll be doing a larger overall travel guide for that, but in addition, we wanted to make what we call a quick mini on doing a day trip bike ride to Kinderdijk, one of the most popular windmill locations in all of Holland. And by the way, it's also a UNESCO World Heritage Site too. In this video, we'll give you a quick walkthrough on how to do the trip, why it's special, and what you'll see. Okay, here we go. We believe the ultimate way to visit this area is by ferry and your own bike ride, and that's what we'll show you in this video. To get started, rent a bike at one of the multiple options around Rotterdam or bring your own on a train. And pro tip, you can even just take the ferry and rent bikes directly once you're there, but it will be a bit more expensive that way. From the Rotterdam Central Station, just head south towards the river and end up just south of the famous Aramis Bridge. Catch the water taxi here to Kinderdijk. You want to specifically take ferry number 21, which is an express ferry which goes directly to Kinderdijk. You can book tickets on their app ahead of time or simply pay on board. The one-way fare is less than €5 and bikes are free. The ferry ride will take about 45 minutes and you'll be dropped off directly at the entrance to the windmill area. But assuming you're doing this on a bike, we'd recommend first taking the loop trail north along the river and coming back down a narrow country path back by the edges of Middelweg and Lekkerland villages towards the windmill. It's a great little bike ride to get a feel for the area and see some of the quaint local houses along the way. This portion will also take you about 40 minutes to do the round trip and get you back to Kinderdijk. Then once you're back, walk your bike into the entrance and explore. Entering is free, but you can also stop by the visitor center and pay €16 to get a package with a couple of small museums, a free app with an audio guide, a boat ride along the canal, and a visit inside a working windmill. We didn't purchase the package ourselves, but we just might next time we come. It's probably worth it. Pedal your way past most of the windmills and then take a right over the bridge and through the polder area into the small town of Alblasserdam. Here you can stop for lunch or a quick drink at one of the cafes downtown and then simply make your way back to Rotterdam. You have two options for this. You can take the ferry number 20 directly from Alblasserdam or ride the 3-kilometer riverfront path back to the Kinderdijk dock and take the same number 21 ferry back. For those who are super energetic, you can also ride over the main bridge here and ride all the way back to Rotterdam. That would take you about another hour or so on a bike. Well, there you have it, our quick mini guide to visiting Kinderdijk in South Holland. No matter how you decide to do it, if you're looking for a great day trip to get out into the countryside and see some famous Dutch windmills in action, consider this bike trip to Kinderdijk. Until next time, see you later.